Hey cat lovers! Did you know that those long, elegant whiskers on your cat are more than just cute? They're actually vital survival tools. Let's dive into the fascinating world of cat whiskers and discover how they help our feline friends navigate their environment. First off, whiskers are not just ordinary hair. They're thicker and deeper rooted, acting as powerful sensory devices. Ever noticed how cats always seem to know if they can fit through tight spaces? That's their whiskers at work. These tactile sensors extend sideways, measuring widths and gauging whether a space is too narrow. Now, moving around in the dark might sound challenging, but not for cats. Their whiskers detect subtle changes in air currents, helping them avoid obstacles even without good lighting. This is perfect for those midnight adventures or sneaky snack hunts. But whiskers are not just about navigation. They also pick up vibrations in the environment. This means cats can sense the tiniest movements, like the scurrying of a mouse or an approaching human, making them excellent hunters. And it's not just physical. Whiskers are emotional barometers too. A cat's mood can often be deciphered through their whiskers, excited or curious. The whiskers stand forward, scared or threatened. They'll pull back flat against the face. Moreover, those whiskers near their eyes, they're not just for show. They protect cats' eyes by triggering a blink reflex if something comes too close. This is super handy for avoiding eye injuries during those wild play sessions. In conclusion, whiskers are crucial for a cat's survival. They help with navigation, protection, sensory perception, and even social interactions. So next time you see your cat twitching its whiskers, remember, they're doing a lot more than just looking adorable. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, those whiskers are a key part of what makes your cat so incredibly skilled and sensitive to the world around them. See you next time, and keep celebrating the marvels of our furry companions.